And today is January 27th, and we are going to be having Alex's birthday party. And we have just been getting the table ready. And Alex is working on our piñata, which we had a little bit of trouble with. Which kind of, we've said it more resembles a California raisin.
See what do? A cut. See what do? A cut.
Oh, yes. Oh, dear. But Alex is doing the last minute decorations. He had, Alex, look at the camera for a minute. Would you tell everybody how old you are now?
6.
6 years old now.
6.
And what did you get for your birthday?
Hockey.
A hockey game?
Yeah.
What else?
A game.
Oh,
Junior.
Clue Junior, yeah. And Alex had invited some friends, didn't you, Alex? Who did you invite to your party?
Zach.
Yeah.
But he can't come because he's sick.
He's sick. And why can't the other kids come today?
Because one has a flood.
A flood? Does anybody around here have a flood?
No.
Okay, why can't people come here today?
Because one
What's the weather
blizzard.
It's a blizzard today, isn't it, Alex? Let's see if we can see it all, what it looks like out the windows. Is it blowing really good right now, Nan?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't see the other side of the lake.
I don't know if you can tell with this camera. The idea of what it's doing outside today. Might be hard to pick it up since it's so white. But at times it snows very hard, but the wind is blowing extremely hard. It's blizzard-like conditions. Good guests to Alex's birthday party are...
Me!
And who is me?
Mandy!
Mandy Carlson?
No. Mandy Goofy.
No, we don't need to do that.
No.
And who else is it going to be at Alex's birthday?
Sorry, I can't say.
And who is that?
Because they're playing the giraffe game.
The giraffe game. They were playing the giraffe game, to be
Did
quiet.
I come in that time?
But now they can talk. Game is over.
Game is over. We have 2 winners.
Amelia, you want to say hi to Grandma and Grandpa?
No.
Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Hi.
Tell them we're not having their kind of weather.
We're not having your kind of weather. Well, for fun though.
And who is the third person?
Me. Me.
Who's the second and third person? Are you going to introduce yourself?
Me.
Now's your chance, yes or no?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, those are Millie and Robin.
And Alex.
Robin, you can stop the game. I'm sure.
Alex, what games do you want to play today?
That's my mom.
Duck, Duck, Goose. What else?
Cool, Julio.
Hey, come close to the camera so you can show that toothless grin you now have. And yes, the other one is quite wiggly. And we do have, there's Duck.